Hello everyone, welcome to Angie's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to do cassava fries. In Jamaica we use cassava to do bammies. Yes, the famous bammies that we love when we take from Jamaica when we come in from holidaying in Jamaica. And we also make cassava to make starch. We used to use cassava to do starch to starch our uniforms for school and working clothes. We used to use cassava a lot for starching clothes. Anyway, today I'm gonna do fries with cassava, and I'm inspired by another culture. So I'm gonna do my cassava with chicken wings because most of the time that's what we eat, fries with chicken wings. So stay tuned for my cassava fries, and please like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you. Stay tuned.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Back set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifice.
Cassava is very easy to peel if you know how to do it. If you know the technique, like a country girl like me. Very easy to peel. See, it look like yam. It's not yam, it's cassava. So I'm adding some salt to this water because I'm gonna boil the cassava for about maybe 3 minutes or so, that it can fry easily. So to the water I just add some salt, and I'm gonna cook this for say 3 minutes. So this is the parboiled cassava, and I'm putting them to fry now. You can also fry the cassava without boiling it, but you would have to fry it at very low heat, and it will take a longer time. So if you want something faster, you parboil the cassava, that you don't have to be frying it for very long because it's already half cooked. And this you can do it for breakfast, for lunch, even for dinner, for a snack for your child. You know, this is something that you can do for your children. And guys, don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to utilize all the food that we have. Yam, banana, cassava. Don't be afraid to utilize them. Try new dishes, you know, that we can do. And you can also fry yam. So this is my parboiled chicken wing in a batter. The batter is made of flour, garlic powder is in it, seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and I have cayenne pepper and a bit of salt. So this is how I love to cook my to fry my chicken wings. I've done it in another video, so you could go back and watch that video. So this batter is not very thick, so I'm gonna place it in my pot to fry now. This is my cassava fries with chicken wings and a glass of homemade beetroot juice. Guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to Angie's Home Cooking. Stay tuned for my next video.